Welcome to the Structured Programming course, SWE201. In this course, you'll learn how to create computer programs using a language called Java. It's like learning a new way to talk to computers and make them do cool things. Don't worry if you've never done programming before. We'll start from the basics and guide you step by step. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write your own programs and make them work just the way you want. We'll be focusing on organizing our programs in a smart and efficient way. It's like putting puzzles together, and we'll make sure each piece fits perfectly. We'll also use a special tool called Java to help us with our programming adventures. You'll learn how to make decisions in your programs, sort and search for things, and even work with groups of data. It's like becoming a computer wizard. Throughout the course, we'll have quizzes and tests to check how well you're doing. But don't worry, they're just to help you learn better and see how far you've come. So, get ready to dive into the world of structured programming. Together, we'll create amazing things and have lots of fun. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. See you in class.